Hola, mi smo zdaj tle na vrhu nad Čladnim na Haribu. Sem šel pač pogledat na nek trail fork. Ja, trail fork sem šel pogledat. In sem dobil tle neke prohe in zdaj bom šel pogledat, kaj je. Naj bi bila za XC, ne vem, bom videl in bom pač probal. Bom videl pač kaj je to in kaj se sploh da voziti z njo. In bomo videli zdaj. Včeraj sem šel hodit, tako da nisem nič snemal. Danes bomo vzeli, pa bomo videli, kako bomo zdaj tu naprej. Se bom, da bom vzel zdaj naprej sam, ko Mateja boli neki rama, tako da, ja. Upam, da bo zanimivo za videti, kar pač bo, ne, da bomo videli. Prav? Ni kamor se bomo videli, lahko vidim, kako bo dober ta trail. Tako bo bolj. Ok, se strinjam. Upam, da ne bo tako pot cela dol ali neki. Ok, to je kar zanimiv trail. Zadnja ploščica mi zviža, ne? Ja, že držalo, ne? Dobro, to je že bolj trail. Aha, tle pa je zdaj težko. But daddy had to work, you and mama had to leave me. Then you started seeing daddy on the TV, and mama didn't like it. And you were too young to understand it. Papa was a rolling stone, mama developed a habit. And it all happened too fast for either one of us to grab it. I'm sorry you were there and had to witness it firsthand, cause all I ever wanted to do was just make you proud. Now I'm sitting in this empty house, just reminiscing, looking at your baby pictures. It just trips me out to see how much you both have grown. It's almost like your sisters now. Wow, I guess you pretty much are. Daddy's still here. Daddy's still here. Daddy's still here. I like the sound of that chair. It's got a ring to it, don't it? Yeah. Stiffen that up, pull it up, little lady. I told ya, daddy's here to hold ya through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy. Samo da prijem van streha, sem tako povedal, da si boš počutil.